Mastering the Art of Makeup, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's essential for anyone interested in beauty and self-care: applying makeup. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this video is for you. Let's unlock the secrets to enhancing your natural beauty with makeup. The phrase, apply makeup, refers to the process of using cosmetic products to enhance or alter one's appearance. Makeup can be used to highlight features, cover imperfections, or express personal style. It's an art form that allows for creativity and personal expression. Before we begin, let's talk about the tools you'll need. The right brushes, sponges, and applicators are crucial for a flawless finish. We'll look at the different types of brushes like foundation, concealer, powder, and eyeshadow brushes, as well as when and how to use them. Every great masterpiece starts with a clean canvas. Learn how to prepare your skin for makeup application, including cleansing, moisturizing, and priming. This step ensures your makeup goes on smoothly and lasts longer. Foundation is the base of your makeup routine. We'll explore how to choose the right shade, type, and how to apply it evenly to create a natural-looking skin tone. Eyes are the window to the soul, and makeup can make them stand out. From applying eyeshadow to mastering the art of eyeliner and mascara, we'll cover all the steps to make your eyes pop. Blush and lipstick add color and life to your face. We'll discuss how to select shades that complement your skin tone and how to apply them for a natural effect. To ensure your makeup stays put all day, we'll go over the techniques to set your makeup, including using setting powders and sprays. And that's a wrap. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel confident in starting your makeup journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, and makeup is all about expressing your unique self. Keep experimenting, and have fun with it. See you in the next video.